There's all sorts of advice being passed around on social media right now. When it comes to tax advice, some things may actually be too good to be true. Let's see if that hot tip you got is tax fact or tax crap. Tax fact or tax crap. The new tax bill makes tips tax-free. That is tax crap. There's nothing in the One Big Beautiful Bill Act that specifically exempts tips from income taxes. Tips are still considered taxable income just like regular wages. With that said, the new legislation has created a new deduction that will allow many to avoid taxes on up to $25,000 of tips. To qualify for this new deduction, you need to be at a job where tips were regularly received before 2025. That means servers, bartenders, and delivery drivers, along with other similar jobs, would qualify for this deduction. There are 5 things to remember about this deduction though. First, the tips have to be reported on a W-2 or similar form that's reported to the IRS to qualify. Also, the deduction is subject to income limitations of $150,000 for single filers and $300,000 for joint filers. If you're married and file separately from your spouse, you're not going to be able to take this deduction. This deduction also applies even if you take the standard deduction. And lastly, this deduction for tips is only temporary. It runs from 2025 through 2028. If you have questions on how to report your tips or your employees' tips, let us help answer your questions. Reach out to an Alloy Silverstein professional today. If you want to know if your tax tip is tax fact or tax crap, leave a comment down below and give us a follow to stay up to date.